Well, good afternoon. I hope you are enjoying your first few weeks of summer and boating or camping or whatever it is you love doing. I wanted to take a few minutes and bring some information to your attention. This time of year, we often get a lot of phone calls and questions about unwanted solicitation, Medicare and Social Security scams, things like that. So I thought I would bring some information to you. I've included some great information in this email, including links on what to do if this is happening with you. And of course, you can always let us know, give us a call. We'll help you manage through that if that happens. So the first thing I want to talk about is the unwanted solicitation calls. You know, you might wonder, why does that continue happening? Open enrollment is over, so on and so forth. But just remember, there are a lot of special enrollment periods that go on throughout the year, and often people who are trying to sell you a product or switch your plan, they are aware of that, and they're trying to find a reason to get you to want to switch. They are not always going to check all the things like all your medications, all your doctors, things like that. And so while they may be able to say, well, I can get you a few dollars more on a food card if you're on Medicaid, you may be paying more for your prescriptions. So please be aware that just because there's one benefit that may be appealing to you doesn't mean it's the right plan for you or a good idea to make a change. The other thing is frauds and scams. So there's always a lot of these going around, from sending out new Medicare ID cards that are going to be, laminated and look like insurance cards. Those are not Medicare cards. Throw them away, report them, whatever it is you need to do, but do not use those. Don't call the number on that card. Knee braces or something like that, we'll get you a free knee brace. We just need your Medicare ID number. Or fake Medicare agents that might come knocking at your door. Medicare is never going to send an agent to your door, so they are not representing Medicare. Medicare will not call you unless you have called them and scheduled a call back. So if someone calls you and they say they're from Medicare, even if their caller ID says that they are from Medicare, they are not. Please do not fall for this, only if you have scheduled a call back. So Medicare will not come to your home. And please do not give your Medicare number to someone who calls you and asks for it, unless you have maybe scheduled an appointment with a doctor and they need your Medicare ID number to process your claim. But even then, you want to verify. I would probably call them back, and that way you can make sure that it is actually the doctor that you've scheduled an appointment with. If you're unsure about any of these things, you can call 1-800-MEDICARE, report it, ask them questions, things like that. They do want to know when these things are happening. Some calls are legitimate, like your insurance company may be calling to see if you want to schedule the nurse visit, the nurse to come out and do a wellness visit. They can sometimes call you if they see a drug interaction on your claims that could be an issue for you. So some of them will even help you schedule certain doctor's appointments like wellness visits. So there are some times when it's legit, but they're not going to ask for your Medicare ID number. It can be hard to know what to answer and what not to answer. I understand that. So the best advice I can give you, get the contact information from whoever is contacting you, including their phone number, any agent ID number, etc., and then call back and see if it actually is legitimate. Also, you want to protect your Medicare number and your date of birth. Don't just give those out to people just because they call you. Follow the guides in this email to report scams and fraud. I highly encourage you to do that. We as an industry want our clients to be calling and filing these issues with whether it's the FTC or Medicare, depending on what the circumstances are. In your case, we want you to do that because it is wreaking havoc, first of all, on our business, second of all, on our clients. So stay safe, my friends. Please let us know how we can help you, and I hope this information is helpful. Have a great day.